How to minimize and play any video in the background on your iPhone. In this video we will show you how to play any video in the background on your iPhone using a simple trick. Step 1. Adjust your control center settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the calculator icon. If it's not there, search for it by typing calculator into the search box and activate it. If the calculator is already enabled, no further action is needed. Step 2. Play your video. Open your video using the Files app or your preferred web browser. Start playing the video. Step 3. Minimize the video playback. Lock your iPhone while the video is playing. Wake your device by pressing the power button. Tap the play button on the lock screen mini player. Open the control center and tap the calculator icon. Once the calculator opens, simply close it and your video will continue playing in the background. This method works on any supported iOS device. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.